Hello, everybody. This is Omar Diaa from Egypt. I uh, I am happy and pleased and honored to speak for the third time with BIM Coordinator Summit. First of all, I wanted to introduce my thanking to the management of BIM Coordinator Summit. Every time it's a big advantage for all speakers participating in the BIM Coordinator Summit events and the audience sharing knowledge between thousands of people. Really, it's a good live or virtual events that I have seen before. Let's introduce myself quickly. I have 15 years experience in the engineering and the BIM fields. I have started my experience working as mechanical design engineer. Then I have got a position of BIM specialist after 2 or 3 years of my graduation. And in this date, I have started my BIM professional journey. I have worked as a BIM specialist, then MEP BIM coordinator with many consultants such as Saudi Diaa and Shakir Consultancy Group and Mega Architect. And after that, I was a BIM manager for all disciplines, MEP, architecture, structure, and inf in Shakir Consultancy Group. After that, I have a chance to change my experience from consultancy to work with the contractor. So I have a lucky chance to work with big and famous contractor, which is called CCC, Consolidated Contractors Company. I was the MEP BIM manager in office in Cairo, Egypt. And now I am a BIM manager in the site operations team of Dar al Handasa, Egypt. Let's go to my presentation. My presentation today is short, is concentrated or will be concentrated on focusing items that related to the BIM in construction. I will speak about the advantages of BIM in the construction industry. I will speak about factors related to BIM that are affecting the project in construction, and at the end, the purpose of using BIM in construction sector. Advantages of BIM in the construction industry. The first one is better collaboration and coordination. Unlike sets of paper drawings in BIM, digital BIM models allow for data exchange. Website like the BIM 360 from Autodesk allows teams to share project models and coordinate planning, ensuring the project is understood by all interested stakeholders or parties. Also, access to the cloud site also enables project teams to bring the office to the construction site. In the same example of BIM 360 platform or site from Autodesk, it allows teams to view drawings and models even on their mobile devices. The advantage number two, model-based cost estimation. Involving BIM specialists in the early planning stages makes it possible to calculate construction costs more effectively using BIM tools such as Revit from Autodesk and the BIM 360 or ACC docs from Autodesk automate the time-consuming task of cost evaluation and allowing estimators to focus on more important factors such as building structure identification and risk factoring. So the advantage number two is the cost estimation, which is based in the Revit model or based on the Revit model. Number three, project 3D visualization. This is the main benefit or of using the 3D modeling in general. Project 3D visualization. Sometimes construction clients draw sketches of their projects as they envision them, but it can be difficult for professionals to understand their ideas. By using BIM, you can create 3D models of buildings, roads, bridges, and infra works. It helps visualize the building's appearance, making the project presentation clear to everyone. The advantage number four, reduce risk and losses. If you look at this graph, you will see how is or how when working on BIM, how you reduce risk and losses. The use of BIM tools significantly reduces number of errors, both in models and on the construction site. Errors occur when design companies transfer 3D models manually, for example, using paper or other unreliable sources. BIM eliminates these problems by digitizing the process of information and data transfer. The advantage number five of BIM using BIM in the construction industry is improved scheduling. BIM saves money by reducing project cycle times and eliminating schedule delays. BIM allows designing and creating documentation simultaneously. Documentation can be easily adapted to changed site conditions, making it possible to develop more precise timetables. The advantage number 6, prefabrication. Prefabrication means pre-assembling structural components away from the actual construction site. You make assembly of the structural components away from the site on your PC. How? That in BIM, that in 3D models. These components are then transported to the site for final assembly. Prefabricated structures offer a number of benefits, including improved quality control, shorter construction time, and reduced material waste. All of this of material with traditional method. Advantage number 7, improve the quality and the safety. BIM models provide more accurate construction planning and management, producing higher final product quality. The data are used for quality control to ensure all building components and systems comply with the required standards. The help models also help identify potential hazard and reduce risk of occupational accident. The advantage number 8, BIM improves facility management. BIM models are valuable tools for assessing building systems performance, and as a result, providing more efficient operation and maintenance. This can also be used after construction for maintenance, planning, and space management. So BIM extends to the facility management also. Number 9 of the advantages of BIM in site or in construction, better site logistics. The site logistics tools available in BIM are one of the best means for construction planning. In simple terms, all information related to the construction process can be collected and used to plan and implement the project best and most efficiently. These were 9 advantages of BIM, and these 9 advantages of BIM, there aren't all of the advantages of BIM. We can count the advantages of BIM. Sure, it's the 9 from tens of advantages of using BIM in the construction. BIM related factors affecting the project in construction. BIM related factors affecting project in construction. In this item, I have brought a study from some engineers in two universities, and I like this study, so I have mentioned it here. Study was done by some engineers from National University of Civil Engineers in Vietnam, and, and another engineer from the Engineering and Architectural Studies ARA Institute of Canterbury in New Zealand. This study was under the title of Impact of BIM Related Factors Affecting Construction Project Performance. What are the BIM related factors? Number one, human factor. Number two, management factor. Three, the technological factors. Number four, project itself factors. And the last one is the external factors. Human factors. It can be itemized in 3 points. Lack of BIM users on project, limited or no previous experience working with other companies on BIM project. Maybe lack of interoperability between BIM software used by team members. The third, lack of trained professionals to handle the BIM tools. This was the human factors. Management factors. Improved construction project management to reduce time solving conflicts. Number three, enhanced operations, maintenance, and facility management, which can be considered as advantages, the advantages of BIM, and can be included under the management factors. The technological factors, feasibility using BIM, reliability, accessibility, functionality, and availability of IT team support. The factor number four is the project factors. It's provided with 3D modeling design, and this in the design stage, provided with 4D modeling schedule of construction activities. The third item in the project factors, the 5D modeling, which is the material takeoff and the cost estimate. Also from the project factors, the improved coordination of building systems. 5, better predictability of project outcomes. The factors number 5, the external factors. External factors affecting the project in construction may be the advantages, such as high cost of BIM training, lack of BIM guidelines and standards, lack of standard form of contract for BIM implementation. 2011, National BIM survey was done, and found that 43% of people unaware of BIM. That was in 2011. And 45% of people just aware, just know uh, yeah, they said like, we know there is something called BIM. And only 13% in this time were aware and were using the BIM. If we compare this with the 2020, we will find that 73% of people are using or were using and aware of BIM. Then only 26% of people just aware of BIM, and 1% unaware of BIM. I think if we will make will create or make this survey in 2024, I think we will find 0% unaware of BIM. Thanks all. I hope my presentation was fruitful for you, and see you again in the coming event. I think it will be in the next September. See you. Bye bye.